Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tabi Build Engineering for Life. Today we are going to learn how to do or set up AutoCAD Classic Toolbar. So first of all, we go to new drawing. From new drawing, what we supposed to do, we go to here, pick access toolbar, here, pick access toolbar, and from there we go to show menu bar. Yes. So menu bar is here. And from menu bar, what we do, we click to tool. Yes. So from tool, we go to palette. So here we hide this ribbon like this. See the ribbon as well. So we go now to add the different tool that we use for our drawing. But for that, what we do, we click to toolbar and we come to toolbar here. Okay. So from toolbar, you do AutoCAD. From AutoCAD, you can now see which or what are the tools we need to set up. Okay. So you just choose the repaired tool that you need. So first you can come see drawing. Drawing is here. Then we get to toolbar, AutoCAD, and you can choose modify. Is there. Go again to toolbar, AutoCAD, and you choose again layout 2. Then here you can click and move from here to up. You set up the layout. Click in toolbar, a toolbar, come to and you choose and can choose anyone again, maybe layout like that. If you want, you can move the layout from here and you put here, or you can move from here to here. Here. Okay, let's move. Yes, like that. Okay, so this is how you can set up the AutoCAD Classic Toolbar. Now, how to save this? If you want to save, you can just go to space switching. Space switching is here. Yes. Space switching. Yes. So we are going to save current. Save current, click, and you give a name. Okay. Give a name. We put plastic. It can give a different that you wish to buy. And you click save. Okay. So when you save, you can just come to space switching. You will find here your drawing. Is the classic toolbar. Then you can also change the classic toolbar to drafting, and annotation. Yes, you see. Okay, so if you want to delete the classic toolbar that you just create, You can click it here. This is a toolbar you are creating, right? So you write to here, you write workspace, then you click enter. Okay, then you will see here there is delete. You see delete, you click delete, and you write the name of your classic toolbar. You write the name. You write classic. Click enter, and you click yes. Okay. From that, you just come here. You not see classic toolbar. Okay. It's how you can see and delete your classic toolbar workspace. Thank you so much. See you next time.